All right, we're getting ready to head to St. Michael's to watch the premiere of the movie Racing Rivals, all about log canoe racing. And here is Zyberger. This is the new boat we will race this season.
Underwater, we're right in it. Yeah! Oh, there she is. My God! How fast are you going? 9!
Oh yeah! Woo! So how do you dock a boat, Dan? How do you do that?
This is how you do it. So you put your, you go like this, and then you go, hey Andy, you want this?
Oh yes, I would. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very kind of you.
Not a problem.
And we'll
We've been this docking thing.
These things gave me a headache this morning.
I have a headache.
I have a headache, yeah.
A little tiny headache.
I stayed for a little while longer. Oh yeah.
You gotta allow for rise and fall.
welcome you here. Some of you may know me in a different role. I'm also jib tender on Island Bird.
Woo!
And I am so glad to see so many of my fellow sailors from the Log Canoe Fleet. This has been a great partnership between Maryland Public Television and many others, but among their partners, Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum. We are thrilled to have supported the production of this film. We're going to start by seeing this, which we're all anxious to see, and then I will invite a panel of some of our fellow sailors up here, and I've got a few questions, but I promise you will have a chance to ask questions as well. So, Alyssa, let's run the film.
There are rivalries between canoes that, I mean, I just went into this, you know, as a 20-year-old and you know, why do we hate this boat again? It's like, why do we hate that?
I'm in.
Figure out if Ava delivers pizzas.
There we go.
Are they getting mojitos in there?
They're just going to inquire and see how this is going to work for pizzas later.
Okay, see if I can. All right, I'm happy to wait here.
That was Friday. We're just hitting
11.3.
Flying Cloud. Were you guys on Flying Cloud before World War II or something?
Log Canoes.
What Log Canoes? Where?
Chesapeake Bay Log Canoes.
Oh, okay. Okay,
you ever
Log
heard of
Canoes.
them?
Yeah, no, but Flying Cloud was a very famous
No,
square
the Flying
rigger
Cloud
from...
is a Chesapeake Bay Log Canoe built
Yeah.
in 1932.
32.
Oh, yeah,
Right.
but
We
yeah.
race on them.
But it was, okay, yeah, cool. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, we want to get here early because we wanted that, not that. Okay, we'll come tomorrow morning. We'll get you tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna meet ya.
Yeah, no, you won't.
Yeah,
You want to put some money on it? You want to put some money?
You got attacked in the western
And
If you don't like them, stop feeding them.
Somebody else did. I didn't eat them.
height, H-E-I-T. Right hand
Look pretty little birds, aren't they?
They are.
They didn't want to bite you. You're such a chicken.
I know.
That was mine.
Well, we might have enough place, but there's two there. One or two.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harold. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Okay,
Gotta
I'm
make a
out.
wish. Cut the cake and make a wish.
Blow out the candles first.
You okay?
Clear.
Harold, did you put this dot in this line?
Huh?
Did Jay put this in or did you?
That was there.
Okay. Somebody tried, it's gonna be horrible to get it undone.
Never get undone.
Going for 20 knots, well 14 to gust to 25 by 11 o'clock. Currently 10, gusting 15. So,
Where?
out of the south. So, depends on how high the sea
Oh yeah.
What if you were?
What if it was? Just say for real.
That's my fault.
And that's supposed to.